You'll hear the truth just sent in the whispers in the wind. Me sit beneath the old fig tree, let the wind come speak to me. No preacher loud, no city sound, just sacred breath upon this ground. The leaves them talking ancient code, me feel your presence down this road. No need for show, no need for spin, your voice comes smooth in the wind. The whispers in the wind, truth so clear. Jah call our soul, come trot here. No vanity, no worldly din, just wisdom flow from deep within. Yes, I me hear Jah whispering. Some search eye with telescope, but Jah live close in breath and hope. Me knock on tower to find the king. Me kneel and listen to what breeze bring. Them trust man-made philosophy, me trust what grow naturally. Me spirit fed by roots and sky, by every hush when birds fly by. Whispers in the wind, calm and wise, floating down from Zion skies. No drum of war, no money spin, just gentle song from deep within. Ooh, Jah, my soul now sing. Let the rhythm slow, let the wind just blow, let the Nyabinghi roll below. Jah speak soft and I man grow. So if you're lost and feel no way, just sit in silence, let Jah stay. Close your eyes, feel every leaf, let every breeze bring you relief. It not come through screen or stage, but through the trees like sacred page. And when you're ready, you will find the whispers shape your heart and mind. Whispers in the wind, soft but strong, been singing since creation's song. No need for rush, no need for spin, Jah message ride the evening wind. Yes, Jah, me trod within. Me no need crowd or sound system. Me hear Zion on the rhythm. Whispers forever listen. Jah give we one more day. Time for rise, time for give praise. Me rise in the morning with bread from Jah. Me stretch me soul to Zion star. Birds them sing, me heart feel light. Darkness gone, come brand new sight. Me give thanks for the life me live, for all the love Jah daily give. No riches fake, no worldly throne, just sky above and roots me own. Rise in the morning, light so pure, Jah mercy fall like river shore. Me open heart, me spirit sing, me walk with Jah in everything. Yes, Jah, me rise and cling. Me nah check phone, me check the breeze, me listen close to rustling trees. Them whisper truth in ancient tones, say I man never walk alone. Me wash me face in river flow, me clean my mind, my soul must grow. Me step slow but step is true. Each morning light Jah make brand new. Rise in the morning, chant for peace, let Babylonic worries cease. Me plant me hope in fertile ground, me carry joy where love is found. Oh Jah, me bless this sound. me trod his way. Me greet the sun with humble voice. Me no rich but still rejoice. Me no own mansion, no drive no car, but me carry light from near and far. For every dawn me find my way, with one love guide me through the day. And when me sleep me know me try to rise again when morning cry. Rise in the morning, rise with grace. Me carry Jah in every place. Me sing no boast, me sing no lie, just prayer lifting to the sky. Yes, Jah, me rise till I. From root to leaf, from soul to sky. Me rise until I fly. Full of life, still waters run deep. Me sit by the river early morn, watch how the mist from earth is born. No voice me hear but spirit speak. Still waters run so strong, so meek. Them say me quiet, them can't see the fire me hold internally. Me no shout low, me soul no leap. Me trust Japa, still and deep. Still waters running deep in I. Calm and clear beneath the sky. No storm can shake, no wind can sweep. My heart stays strong, me roots run deep. Yes, Jah, my peace me keep. Them chase the flash, watch the flow. They move too fast, me choose to grow. Like river bend round rock and tree. Me no resist, me move wisely. Me learn from moon, from tide, from rain. That strength comes slow, not born from pain. Me carry stillness when others weak. Cause still waters run deep. Still waters running deep and wide. A holy stream where Jah reside. Me carry love, me carry grace. Me walk with silence, not the race. So Jah, me feel your face. Dub echo like river breath, chimes like birds in mountain depth. Nyabinghi drums in gentle sweep. Me chant for those whose waters deep. So when me gone and world grow loud, just find me not among the crowd. My spirit dwell in morning steep, where still waters sing and keep. Me no need throne, me no need praise. Me just give thanks for all my days. And all me leave, me never weep. Just peace that run still and deep. We belong. Bit full of life, still waters run to. Till this is strength, silence is song. In still waters we belong. Easy now, let it flow. There's a river inside, let Jah love guide. There's a river inside our soul, flowing deep, flowing bold. It now makes sound like thunder loud, but it shape mountains, break the cloud. Me no need no map to ride, Me just follow the stream inside. Me trust the current, me trust Jah tide. It carry I where truth reside. Like a river inside, me move slow. Through hills, through pain, me still grow. Me not fight, me just glide. Me hold your hand and let it slide. Yes, the river never dry. Them build dam, them block my way, but my spirit still find a way. Me carve through stone with silent mind. Me shine in dark, no need for light. Me learn from roots, from breeze, from rain, from joy, from loss, from sacred pain. Me bend but never break or hide. Me guided by the river inside. Like a river inside, me stay true, flowing with love in all I do. Me no stuck, me no bound. Me float with life, Jah keep I sound. Ooh, Jah, a river overflown. Feel the current in your chest. Let it cleanse, let it bless. No need to rush, just ride the stream. In Jah river, we dream. So when the world get dry and rough, we flow through calm, my heart stay tough. Me no drown in what them say, but trust your voice to show the way. The river whisper truth so clear. Don't fear the storm, just steer. And even when I slip or slide, still flowing deep, my river inside. Like a river inside, we keep peace. From dawn to dusk, we never cease. We overflow with love so wide. My journey long, but Jah me guide. Yes, Jah, my river is life. Me flow in silence, but my strength is loud. My river deep, my spirit proud.
You can cut the tree, but you can't kill the root. Still living, still growing. Then try to bury the old time song. Say it too slow, say it too long. But truth no age and fire no sleep. My roots run quiet, but them run deep. Me nah bow to plastic trend. My soul no bend, my spirit no end. Me rise each day with ancient cry. Cause roots grow strong and roots not die. Roots never die, no matter the storm. Still push through even when it's torn. Beneath the soil where truth lie. Me find my strength, my roots still high. Yes, Jah, roots never die. Them paint success in gold and show, but me know truth in what grows slow. Me no race, me just align. My feet in earth, my eyes the sign. Me chant same way my elders chant. Me no switch up just for grant. What grow from love no man can buy. Me hold the faith, me reason why. Roots never die through drought and flame. Still whisper Jah holy name. Me no boss, me no fly. Me grounded low but reaching high. Oh Jah, my roots justify. Nyabinghi drum roll like prayer. Echo fly through desert air. Even when branch bend and cry, the roots remain and testify. So when we're gone, don't mourn my shell. Just water the seed and wish it well. My legacy not flash or gold, but story lived and truth my hold. Me not fear Babylon's scheme. Me trod steady inside my dream. Me carry chant, my soul comply. My roots still chant until I fly. Roots never die, them living song. Them guide the weak, them steer the strong. Through every trial, me still reply. Jah love endure, roots never die. Yes, I, forever and I. Me grow where others fall. Me reach where others crawl. Me root, me rise, Jah keep I wise. Me rise, Jah keep I wise.
King James one, y'all around, tell a story. Them walk before I, so me walk with care. Every route tell a story. Me no plant myself in empty ground. Me grow where mighty souls were found. Them chant before me even cry. Them hold the fire, them lift it high. Me not pretend me start the flame. Me carry forward your holy name. Me every step, me every plea is built upon the roots before me. Roots before me, standing strong, guiding I through right and wrong. Through shadow deep and history, me walk with love and dignity. Yes, Jah, me trod respectfully. Them never had no gold nor throne, but still them build your truth alone. With bare foot and callous hand, them shape the spirit of this land. Me no forget them sacrifice. Them pay the price, them roll the dice. Me no walk blind, me eyes can see, because of roots that carried me. Roots before me, echo deep, in every prayer before me sleep. In every song the soul release, them chants still bring me heart to peace. Ooh, Jah, your roots increase. Let the rhythm roll like mountain breeze. Let the dub speak what spirit sees. Nyabinghi drums in sacred key. The roots still chant eternally. So me give thanks and me stay low. Me let Jah one beside me flow. Me build me life on truth and grace. Me never spit on elders' face. Me carry banner high, not loud. Me walk with roots, me walk unbound. And when me gone, me hope they see me too became a root finally. Roots before me, now me part of living chain of beating heart. Me plant me seed with overstand, so next you'd rise and take me hand. Yes, I, me root in Jah land. Honor the ones who made the way. Me now walk for self, me walk for y'all.
Not every line roll out. Some just walk with power in silence. Silent warrior, trotting still. I move like river through the land. No crown, no throne, just open hand. Me carry
carry peace, me carry flame. Me no seek hype, me no seek fame. Them never see the tears I cry, but still me rise and reach the sky. For in the silence Jah reveal a strength that Babylon can't steal. Silent warrior, move with grace, truth in heart, light on face. No loud talk, no grand show, but deep inside Jah love flow. Yes, I don't walk low, but glow high. And I need crowd to chant my name. Me walk the hills where roots remain. Them run with noise and chase the flash. Me build my home from earth and ash. In a boat to pressure deep. Me chant when all the world asleep. A soldier of the sacred kind. With every breath, me free my mind. Silent warrior, heart like drum. Step by step, me overcome. Me no shout, but I survive. In every beat, I feel alive. Ooh, Jah, give our power inside. You don't need no sword to fight. Just hold your faith and shine your light. When world grow cold and shadows wide, silent warriors still rise. So let them dance with vanity. Me walk with love and clarity. Me hold me ground when storm arrive. Cause Rootsman know how to survive. They don't see, but Jah do see. The fire burn inside of me. Me walk with humble lion pride. And all my battles fought inside. Silent warrior, me trot alone, but Jah prepare me stepping stone. No fear, no mask, no lie, just soul and sky. Selassie, I still I. Silent but mighty high. Quiet but never weak. Still chant, still see. Silent but just speak. Quiet but never weak. Still chant, still see. Silent but just speak.
The vapors drift like early morning mist. Wind chimes silk in soft stereo. Nyabinghi drums beat like slow, steady heartbeats before me speak. Before me move, me feel peace in my chest. Them talk of war, them spread the fear, but my whole calm when storm draw near. No sword, no gun, no wicked test can break the peace in my chest. Me learn from leaf, me learn from breeze. Oh, stillness walk among the trees. Me no rush, me no contest. Me just keep peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Flow like tide when Babylon roar. Me still inside. No wave too big, no noise too loud. Me walk with Jah above the crowd. Yes, Jah, me humble, proud. Can't control all them do, but me control what living true. Me can't fix world in a one breath, but me protect me inner depths. Me carry stillness like a flame. In city noise, me still remain. When them lost, me manifest the sacred peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Come on, wide it, not just hide it. Be my guide,
So when the world call I to hate, my open heart, me shift the weight. Me walk away from wrath and test and hold firm peace in my chest. Me teach the youth through how me live, that strength is not what you can give, but what you hold and manifest. That sacred peace in your chest. Peace in my chest, still and sure. Through every trial, my soul endure. It not fade out, it not regress. It grow like tree in my chest. Yes, I, your truth confess.
The sound of the sea, palm trees dancing just for me. Coffee strong and the sunlight high, no worries here under the island sky. Barefoot walking through the sand, freedom's ringing in this land. Every step a melody, feel the rhythm, come with me. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Steel drums playing by the shore, smiles and laughter, nothing more. Hearts unchained, we let it go, moving slow, letting the good vibes flow. Colorful sunsets paint the sea as night falls on this harmony. Stars above and peace inside, together we enjoy the ride. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Sway left, sway right, let the firelight glow. Dance in the moonlight, take it slow. Hearts beat in time with the tide. Island magic we can't hide. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me on this wave of harmony. They build their towers made of stone, but I rise with roots alone. No palace high, no kingdom grand can move the truth where I now stand. I've seen the lies that wear a crown, I've heard the silence break me down, but in the quiet I heard a sound, Jah whispered deep beneath the ground. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. One drop beat in my soul, reggae fire keep me whole. Ooh, Jah, you make I bold. I don't follow where money lead, I sow the word, I plant the seed. They chase shadows, feed their pride, but I chant and stay inside. This heart, no fear, no evil path. It beat with thunder, burn with wrath. Not of hate, but holy flame, to cleanse the soul, not bring shame. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. With my drum and sacred song, I've been righteous all along. Yes, I stand strong. Echo deep like river cry, skank it slow beneath just sky. Let the bassline pull you near, chant down every wicked fear. I walk alone, but not alone. Jah is the rock, the cornerstone. When the storm come test my way, I kneel and still give thanks and pray. This journey long, the road is steep, but Rasta's soul will never sleep. We shine like sun, we bloom like tree. From chains to chants, we're finally free. So I stand in the light,